Hello guys! How are you today? And again, this is Chef Deborah. And today, I received some requests from few of my followers. You know, they asking me, Chef, why didn't make a ubi pandesal? Because nowadays, ubi pandesal is very popular. I told them I had already a video of very soft pandesal in my YouTube channel. So, now I will also make this again. This is almost same recipe, but I added some ingredients that we need to make it ubi pandesal. I stick to this recipe because I know this recipe is very good. This is very nice recipe, very soft, even up to 4 days. Your pandesal stays fresh and soft. I didn't add any bread improver or preservative with this recipe, but really, I will tell you 100%, this pandesal, my pandesal recipe is very, very nice. Making a pandesal, you just only make a twist, some twist. You just added some ingredients, some flavors what you want, but you have to adjust. You must know how to adjust with the ingredients. So I will teach you now how I did it. This ube pandesal cheese inside. So come on, let's go to my kitchen and let's start baking now. Subscribe and click the bell button. For the ingredients, we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of grated cheese, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1½ teaspoon of instant yeast, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of ube flavorings. For the procedure, of course, just put all together all the ingredients except the breadcrumbs and the cheese. Start mixing until it became smooth in texture. Now the dough is ready. Rest the dough for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, punch down the dough. We can divide now the dough. We have to weigh the dough so that it was uniform in size. So I weigh the dough at least 60 grams each. Now I will start shaping the dough, and then I will put the grated cheese inside the dough. This is only like you are making a balls. And after I make a balls, I dredge the dough into the breadcrumbs. Just continue doing it until all the dough is finished. When it's ready, you can rest again the dough for another 40 minutes before baking. After 40 minutes, you can bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Charan! Now our ube pandesal is ready. If you can watch my soft pandesal video last time, this is same recipe also. I just added some other ingredients that we need to make it ube pandesal. But I stick to this recipe because I know this recipe is very soft. My pandesal recipe is very soft. So we just make a twist, you know. If you want to make another flavor, you can make and use this recipe. Same recipe, but the difference only you will put another ingredients that you want to put. You can also put malunggay powder or whatever you want to put in this pandesal. I want to show you inside. I cut it in half and you will see how softer my pandesal recipe. I'm cutting slowly because it's still hot, you know. I cannot hold it. See, look. So delicious. See, the cheese is there, very soft and very nice texture inside. So I hope another nationality also will try this pandesal. Try to bake it in your home, and when you try it, you will like it, I know. Open again another pandesal. See? It's so yummy, really. See? It's very soft. So like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And don't forget to click the bell, of course, so that you will notify if I uploaded a new baking and cooking video. And I had also a portion there, Q&A with Chef Deborah. So I give some tips and knowledge about baking and cooking. So if you have any question, just send me a message and I will answer all your questions. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy baking with me.